Hey my Yum Yums! Welcome back to another episode, and I hope you enjoy this one. So today we're going to be making a quick lunch. I'm going to start off just chicken, asparagus and sweet potatoes. I literally made this in the morning, like for lunch for work. So it will literally take you an hour. So by the time you're done getting ready for work, your food will also be ready. I'm first start out by oiling the pan. Just take some marinated chickens, just marinated with rosemary and garlic, salt, pepper, and second chopped spice. Technically whatever seasoning you want. It's quick, it's no fast cooking. At this point in time, I should also remind you, just preheat your oven. Just preheat it to your highest setting. Mine goes up to 250 degrees Celsius. So just preheat it to your highest setting. Will also help your food cook faster. Don't worry, it won't burn. For the sweet potatoes, you're gonna need to just prep them, just peel them up and chop them up to, I don't know, about like 3 to 4 centimeters, and place them with the chicken. They'll cook with 30 minutes or less. Alright, so as before, just drizzle some olive oil on top of your potatoes, some salt, some pepper. You can also add veggie spice if you want some, or you can just leave them plain like me, because I enjoy my sweet potatoes that way. Cover it up with foil and grab a toothpick, poke a bit of holes on there just to allow some steam to come out, but then this also helps to keep your oven clean, because no one likes washing the oven. It's too much work. Okay, put that bad boy in the oven and go take a shower. Just always rinse out your veggies, okay? Just do it. You don't know where they've been. They didn't just come up from the ground into your table, okay? You don't know the environment. So with asparagus, you're gonna want to remove like a centimeter off from the edges. The tips are what you want. So you do this because half the time it's always dry at the bottom, so you just want to remove that because it's going to be tough and it really doesn't taste nice. drizzle some olive oil on them with some salt and some pepper, and they'll be ready for when the sweet potatoes come out of the oven. Always clean up. It's so much easier just to clean up after every session, because it just makes it easy at the end. You won't end up with a bunch of dishes that you do not need. Alrighty, first 30 minutes is done. Be careful when you remove this, because there'll be a lot of steam that's going to need to escape, so just remove the foil slightly and then let the steam come out, and then you can remove it fully. So at this point the potatoes will be done, and all you need to do is remove the potatoes and turn the meat and put on the asparagus. Cover it with the foil, put it back in the oven for about 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna make myself some breakfast for my lunchbox. So I just put some muesli in there and some double cream plain yogurt in there as well, and some blueberries. I'm gonna have this like this with a chopped up apple. And for a healthier snack, I'm just gonna put some pineapples in my container just for a snack after lunch, and that is it. I always have like sliced pineapple. I love pineapple, so I just prefer to slice it up and put it in a big container, store it in the fridge in an airtight container, and it just makes it easy. back to the chicken, our main dish. Almost done. Remove the foil and then just take it back into the oven just to crisp up for about 5 minutes. Just gonna pack it up directly into a lunch box and then the additional into a spray container, and voila, your lunch is ready. At the end of this, you would have been already be done. By the time you're packing this lunch up, you should be heading on your way out. Enjoy. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up down below, alright? And let me know in the comment section just what you'd like to see from me and what you would like help with cooking. I pride myself in making hard meals look very easy, so just hit me up to share this channel and I'll check you on my next one. Happy eating, my Yum Yumz.